Hello, Wildcat Nation. I'm excited to be bringing you an update from week 2. The Mississippi Department of Education released state test scores last week, and I am so proud of our students, our teachers, and you, our families. I want you to know that there are several areas that we have exceeded our performance pre-pandemic. There are also some areas that we exceeded the state in our level of growth. We still have some work to do in math and in some areas of science, but I know our educators and our students, as well as you, our community, you will work hard, and we'll all work hard to make sure that our children reach successful in each one of our schools. Also, I'm excited to announce that on August 23rd at 5:30 p.m. at Meridian High School Auditorium, we will have Dr. Tommy Mabry, who will be sharing his story. Parents, it's a story you don't want to miss. He will be also speaking to our students in our middle schools and our high school this week. We hope to see you at 5:30 p.m. at Meridian High School Auditorium. Also, on the last update, I asked for your help regarding enrollment numbers. I'm proud to say that we're up to 88% of our enrollment. So parents, let's keep pushing to get those students in school who may not have enrolled yet. If you have questions about this, please call your child's school or contact the central office. One more important update. We're excited to be pushing literacy this year. Do you know that when a child reads for 20 minutes, just 20 minutes a night, that child can read over 1.8 million words during a year, and they're likely to score in the 90th percentile. It's important, parents, that we make sure our children are reading at least 20 minutes each night. Finally, I want to shout out a couple of educators. I'm so excited when I walk into classrooms and I see children and educators engaged in learning. Just a quick shout out to our first grade team at Poplar Springs. Keep rocking, keep doing what you're doing for children. Let's make it a great week in MPSD, and thank you so much for supporting our Wildcats.